Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips.
Y'all, listen. I do need a prayers now. Y'all, welcome back. Welcome back, Shy Tried to another freaking video. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Come on. Y'all, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Cause we back, y'all. We in our road right now, but we back still. Like, we here, y'all. We here. Okay? We here. It's 11:35. What have we did so far? Nothing besides shade. Because we had to shade everything. When I say everything, everything. Except for the toe. Should have got that little piece of hair for them. But that's alright though. Got that going. I got some fish sticks coming out. Let me see this. Okay, ain't nobody. But I'm gonna put y'all on though. Hold on. If y'all got this right here, when I tell you it's good, it's Dijon honey mustard. And get you a piece of fish. Now I didn't say it on the main channel. I'm gonna say it on this channel. If you haven't tried this before with a piece of fish, I promise y'all won't steer you wrong. Go and try it, y'all. Like, it's so good. It's so good, y'all. Try it and then come back and tell me what it tastes like, okay? Okay. So now I'm finna put mine on some fish sticks. Put on a little wrap. I should have added some lettuce to it. A little pickle on it. A little cheese. Yeah, that's a meal right there. I'm trying to tell you. It's gonna be good. Who wanna do that, y'all? We just might do that today, y'all. So, like I said, it's 11:36 now. About to eat a little lunch, okay? I need to wash my hair today. We need to be going to the gym, even though it's looking a little gloomy outside. We still need to go because we gotta get back on it, y'all. Last week we went kind of hard a little bit while we was in New Orleans, just a little bit, but that much, y'all, that much. But that's all right though, cause we can always get back to it, okay? Always get back to what you was doing, or not even just go back, but get better, be better. Go out there and be great, you guys, be great. Y'all. So I'm gonna do that. And then later on, I gotta go to my grandmama's house, and I gotta cook dinner. And for dinner tonight, we are having a little spaghetti. And I haven't made spaghetti in so long, y'all. I don't even think since we moved here I made spaghetti. Now I can cook pasta because my baby loves pasta. Jesus Christ, I do too though. So I ain't gonna act like that. But yes, y'all. So cook a little spaghetti for my little whoop-de-boo. A little whoop-whoop on a little spaghetti, so I'm gonna do some spaghetti, cook some corn, and probably do a little toast on the side, you know, a little toast. So yes, y'all, stay tuned. Gonna make my food. I'm hungry. Alright, y'all. I'm back home. I'm about to cook some spaghetti. We're gonna wash your hands first, okay? Wash them up real good. Alright, we're gonna start off with the meats. Okay? It's not a tutorial, we just cooking. I haven't. I want the wall in the background talking. Y'all, you know what's so crazy? God just be working. He just be working, y'all. I kid you not, I was just upset because I had recorded two of my clients. I had recorded myself doing two of my clients' hair, right? Went on there looking for the videos, and I think I deleted it by mistake. I kid y'all not, I had two appointments this week. It ain't the same people, but it's still basically the same hairstyles. I know one of them is. I got a lock appointment, then the other one, two strand twists. I just like to look at this. See, I was upset for nothing. I ain't hold on to it though. I ain't gonna act like that, cause I wasn't holding it over my head with it. I'm mad about it, but I was like, dang. Like, dang, that was deleted good footage too.
You can't even see me, 'cause all that is needs is be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You take some time, let yourself be. I'll be honestly.
Alright, y'all. So, I finished cooking. I did show the food, but I ate it, y'all. Nice little spaghetti, you know, the 1-2. But yeah, y'all. That's it for today. I might add the clip for tomorrow here. I don't know, depending on how long the video is. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bells on. And Shy Tribe, I'll be back with another one. See y'all later.
long as you got your eyes, got you trippy on them private jets.